let's start this presentation and explain how we can create logos for our innovative ideas. Again, moving to logos and type here logos for, say, suppose, and you have so many options here. Once you write this, say suppose you want a new brand of coffee being introduced by you, and you move on with coffee logos and you simply select this one. But once you select this one, then you cannot use it as such, otherwise you will get into the problem of copywriting. So let's use this as a base and create our own logo which looks a little different from it. What you can do is that you know that this is the image of a coffee and we are designing the logo for the coffee itself. So we need some image which gives the similar meaning. So you select the image, and what you can do is that you can move to this info button. Info button may, before moving with the info button, let me tell you, if you try to edit this image, then you have the option of editing the colors. But how you are going to edit the colors? The coffee is of brown color. All you can do is that you can change these colors a little bit with a little different colors. Say suppose something like this. But this is not looking very cool. So what you need to do is that you need to stick to this again. Then you have other options that you can crop this image. But if you crop this image, then its idea will go. If you keep only the cup, not the plate, then it doesn't look nice. So that means cropping is also not a very good idea. What you can do is that you can flip the image horizontally or you can flip it vertically. But it looks very absurd if you show the cup upside down. So that means you will undo these two changes also. Now, what you are left with is you can edit the image by moving on to some other image, but we still need to have it with a coffee cup. So we move on to this animate this info button. Once you click this info button, it will show you the last option, see more like this. Once you click on see more like this, so you've got options which are very much close to coffee. So the theme remains same. And instead of using this as an icon in your logo, what you can do is you can choose any one of them which is available as a free version for you. Let's see that. Let's choose the coffee mug for our own options as this. So that means instead of using this, now our coffee mug tries to be is shown like this. So no one can claim that we have copied the logo. Now you can play around with the colors. That means you can put it in, say suppose, dark brown color. It looks more or less like coffee now. Now, next thing which we need to understand here, suppose you are making this coffee company under your college brand. So you need to put your college logo here. I am from Acharya Narendra Dev College, so I will be uploading my own college logo. Before we move further, once you have uploaded this image, see it is showing you magic recommendations also. That instead of using this one, you can move on with these magic recommendations which are also showing you the same theme. Now let us talk about you need to upload your college logo. In that case, you will have to go to uploads. Upload is a button which is on the left hand side. Here, first you will have to upload the media. You have to upload, you can upload images, videos, audio. Here I am going to upload the image. For that, I will first have to click upload. On this upload button, When I click, it will show me my computer where I can find out what kind of image I want to upload. Here I have put my college logo here. I will select the college logo, click on the open button. Once I click on the open button, first that image is being uploaded here on the Canva palette. Once it is uploaded, I will just click it once and it has been inserted into my logo screen. I can simply use this. So here, see you, I am not able to work with the mouse here, but what I can do is that I can use the shift and arrow key to bring it down at a place where I want it. Further, what you can do is that here you have few more options with respect to position. If you see here, when you click on these three dots you have one option called position. What it can do is that if I select this coffee symbol and the logo which I have inserted and I click on position, then it's right now both of them are in middle. If I click this bottom button, then see what has happened, that both my logo and the coffee logo, college logo and coffee logo have come down to bottom. Again, clicking on both of them and you click here, you can move them to the top like this, or you can play around and move them here and there. Now, again you want your logo to be here in this corner and college logo of almost same size to be here, so you will resize it like this. Now you want to change the name of the pumpkin cafe to your own name. Say you have named it as Jackal Cafe. Now here, when you talk about these images, again moving to these three dots, you have here transparency. You can see this block here. This is for transparency. Right now transparency is 100%. If you choose it to be 60%, so look at the figure. Now this image looks a little dull. Again, if you move and make your transparency to be 0, then it looks something like this. So let us keep it at probably 77% of your transparency. Rest you can change the colors of the background. Say suppose like you choose a better lighter version, something like this. And then rest, what I want to tell you one more thing into this is um, I think we will wind up this uh, video here and let's talk in the next video.